question nipa sisi a baby a settle na bedu no obi hia mo akrampa we don't even look forward to help that person. You feed on the weakness no ne mo ade onya mo on we feed on it to make ourselves feel better.
No man.
Makas magube me chirem.
Baby, chirem pa.
Later make us an say. Shugatiti, met what I say me nyake no 22 years. Undu baby aye.
Obibia akwaba ede eba too much GHS so Ghana wahala jumede na ebre asose muniaba ekwesi kapa ene so mede ebebesum etiefo ene ahwefo na mamunim say ya platform yi and somewhat say edi attention trending issues no no ene ye dibebegu apono so epeni nyina ne pomasi be na ye den sane ba so de na chese adomu esuko eye papa na say de ye hu de emabunu no womo ede woma brabo ye said like said in yankopon bo ma senka womo memeye no man asa enye saa na yehunu na denti na make asa ensen we ye nua ba dodo na enim no Shugatiti waba bonten emra woni Exp0ses womo on cast show no chese womo edin kita ho interview so no woma Ghana fo ati ase so no de wo ye sex freak ba no sempemu agodie de ne ba bia bola so ehiu unyanya ayeye ne anu no bebie mu ede ama no wo wie ye no wasade nsem bi kan ho achese otonton nyoma bi ne ho nkro ne ba wo hu ni se no krampo buama se oba krampo no wuni be ma wo nchen ya no yusu krampo na ebusuafo moma ye nkohwe video no ka kumye ji no kokko no ye ba ye nsem mu nchemu ebebrem.
You have issues with what she does, but me no because there be a so you are there na wo wani je now you know. Na it is not against the laws of the country, it is not against the religion or also there me who am I so do you any there or no pay
me ya den
nya de o ye no wrong say ko oton ko tene etwe hodu ehu ayi
deal on vibrators
do you use it?
No, I don't use it.
So why do you want us to come and buy?
I don't know, some people their partners are not in town and I am hotrum
Have you ever used them before?
Yeah, I've used them before. The rabbit one.
What is rabbit?
It's a vibrator.
Rabbit vibrator?
Yeah. It is. They also call it the G-spot. The G-spot vibrator.
Day.
Yeah. Straight say na baby won't say. What the battery shema? The one who vibrates and stick name also vibrates.
Ebusia for me sanso emamo akwaba ebiemo Miss Mexical ene nana ama ohusua ene ne de motunsa ede afro mo ewo mafidie kesi so yebetwetwe nkomo ede afa maya binumu atese wo mo ba wo mo nsem mo di etudwa ne di se yeka ne pensem ni nyina ne pomasi bre mema mo nyina akwaba
kia ede usum
na ya je usum bibia bokode Bibia yet say you know. Nana man so
unde me say me ase nkwa dia ni problem dia so me say me ase dia no problem.
Yo our mercy we dem di free so o hwe eyeye ni aba Shugatiti ne nsem a wo dia ba betu edwa oba besia utimi tena se we dey yemfa no 11 ne nsem ye fa ni nyina maako utimi tena ho ka se o dey o ye sex freak baby ubeshia bema like say bema no ye wo bema ye say bema bia ba bema wo ne wo ho no baby ubeshia no ene ye say living room or kitchen or hi o baby ane obiemu edema wo eya normal anase wo hu ne say eya ade ahunhun bi na manipulate no
me ya ma me da wase no question me na makonya isu echia too much etiefo ni ahwefo ni na nya me nsure am say da mojebre ehwe yen Miniaba. I can't say the social media then some more cost and some they be cost. They be a done for fire by when so they never bad. I would a youth now, but I'm with your muhumbi. See one. I'm with your muhumbi. Near Ojina Okake and our Nimnia Oka. Only my brabo or dinner one quackochim. One say, I say life is in the spirit.
Okay.
And whatever happens to you, it has been done already. A projection, I also did that.
Okay.
And when you are youth like this, I am out of curiosity. Yeah, kills the cat. And at times curiosity and exposure to me lead you into some trap. They don't know someone has some life or no is at stake.
Okay.
When you start living this kind of life, it's a matter of time. At time now, possess. Okay. Maybe I are you are not yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, something is using your manipulation is going on over your life. And see, how can you just sit down and say like every day? What social media? I'm over cancer. I'm afraid say I'm okay to one. I'm okay are trending, but you don't know the image you are giving to yourself, and you don't know what you are doing to yourself. The body is the temple of God. First of all, don't worry your grandpa. It's wrong to fornicate. And imagine say, what's for penetrable to say worry. What is look at it's even wrong to do that. First, like I said, fornication is wrong. Now to what to also say no me boy drama wo. They be that me fornicate. Aside that, and so also I was masturbate and then yes and can and then your shisha wo. Such people normally almost are lesbians.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she can't come out and say, but those people because they are spirits into one level to another. It starts from somewhere and leads to another end.
Okay.
And gradually, this lady when taking time of being lesbian, because to me, in your shisha woman who feel like a man is with you, later no, you will look for a woman to do that to it. Every crying back no, or yeah did that. And she need deliverance. She's not okay. Oh,
Sir.
oh, and you're okay. The system when your matiti orgasm system on Ankasa.
Oh, yes, baby, okay, calculate what the apostle, I ever saw us, Nana.
Oh, hammy.
How?
Oh, hammy, we have
Let's have Fanny in a good honor. Nana. Yeah, I am Miss Mercy working. Then also bet me a car from home.
Eke a meda wase ewa akonya ya odi amami na akonya ya mu mejire mu ada too much Exp0ses supporters medom ni ase nyomo anki ni ha tina kupo nsho moda
Insurance.
na me ba asem no so no mirawo I'm a woman nti ema wasem no it affects me directly because oba semba e come directly because me oba na data mirawo ne say akwese nipa sisi a baby asitira na bedunu obi hia mo akrampa we don't even look forward to help that person. You feed on the weakness no ne mo ade onya mo on we feed on it to make ourselves feel better.
No.
Makas magube mechirem.
Baby, chimpa.
Later make us an say Shugatiti metima ka semi nyake to no 22 years undu baby aye.
Okay.
And then I met him once. I followed her for a while. Me seeing the stories, move, send or share, see, then no pep. And one time I quite remember saying, "Me too, I said, Osoniana or have that aspiration. So one day she wants to be an actress.
Yeah.
And a DJ movie you Then no, now was a Sakonia and back easy, sir.
Yeah.
Who to be got this should cry near Chown to Mugani. What to say? Opportunity once in a lifetime. No, Benya Sakonia, no, Akoyasa actress in the man. 80 your hand in your life no so pushing hard into who do you know and all rooming friends now say and I feel there on Bema TV can tell no one FN no what Janica will be also one FN and got them knowing what you what try things now can not as I can as them say or try China mania working hard according to Sacra makeup so no crowd base me or do so be at say they say on the member and Exp0ses. Until no fan what doing so when and nude pictures and see all no of fan nudity.
Yeah.
So nude pictures no as a dream say okay and you mejuma na no pona e die akonya ne man nya movie role or active okuma wudi na no me hear the story no and this baby as say baby a we do na it has so much in it say obi your system etim say no o your ba na hunhia mo a what it means so ba hunhia mo and how you get that help. People have fed on the fact to say, Onyamwa, she needs to push. And Ome didn't say, man, I didn't say.
It's only say one uncle was say a one no. Woman for some
It's sad. It's sad. Where Obama on only discuss it, that issue way. Sex. Seriously, sex freak. And then I read, oh no. And yet, it's not funny. Say, oh, you're a sex freak. Do you know what it means for a 22-year-old? So I can say, oh, you're a sex freak. Why, yeah, I didn't say this. Every time, no one is feeling number. And she's saying it because I know maybe opportunity when you be say a friend and celebrate me.
Yeah.
When she wanted the genuine job of bringing out her character, so your actress, no. When you are going to genuinely. But opposite nude pictures now, for condon, maybe no condon. And no, my ya, no, maybe a crime and say actress. You see how women are suffering. And these same men will come back. And your background, and your banner, and your pesters, and your pole, and how you say, they took her there. And I don't blame them much because on now, because the choice is there. We go for me to be onto the wall, but what to do with your life depends on you yourself. Okay. And if at 22 years, or to me, can't say, or you're sex freak, sex addict, then 22 years when I sex addict, and just imagine from 22 to 30 to 50, now still no carry on this same sex addict. So how bad now by then what next after that? What next? Is this sex freak never carry on to the point I open your life? What next? About next year, elusi ni holder. It's sad.
Oba Mercy.
Nana baby or their fan or by deep. Or their fan pennyphone being some more opportunity. Genuinely taking advantage of the youth. It's happening, it's true. A course of pints, Nana my baby or dear running to your baby and say, yes, but at the end, as you said, the choice is yours. Unim says the pub the American says beginning foundation you're wrong at the building will collapse one day and you're not China. Parents, what are we doing? People like this, I ask myself, are they from home? Or they are from broken homes? Do you like how you train your child or train the child the way they should go so that they will not depart from it? So if the foundation is good, there is no amount of corruption and influence that would work on her. Say I'm taking advantage of her. She knows that from my home, this one doesn't happen. We don't do this for what we want. Enti abufrani be avoid the temptation be brave, but if the training is bad, my dear, it's easy for them to follow the crowd. Enti this level she has gotten to, she needs the only point I'm giving her, she needs deliverance.
I said she deliverance.
Or you're possessed.
Okay.
Nothing happens physically that has not happened already in the spirit.
Okay.
Yeah. So this lady need a helping hand in terms of interceders. I don't know the family she's coming from, but if the parents will stand in and do that for their mom, will taking it normal, say it's a life, it's a choice. She's grown. No, their child is possessed.
Okay.
So they should pray for her deliverance.
Okay.
And yes, sir, she has nothing good to offer. No good name, nothing.
Yo, Oba Mercy, Meda was saying, Nanama, you were making a point now, okay, and be like, say, when Yanti and Ama Nedrusa, because of say, we're not so exposing and all that. When ya what baby a sex freak, fine. What my yati, I see. So, right now, using a year, like, manufactured things, I would do radiators, I would be vibrating with one name, home conebano. And no, so no, I am more when you're not money use Sadiano. Like, I want to know.
Sex freak, because I'm a sex freaker. I was saying me, I'm a watch freak. Hey, me that cry, I can just dream about watching. Me too, even some main cry, I'm used to watching.
That makes it not to be normal.
If somebody is a freak on something, like I just had an pebble, so
Now, open bro, so does it mean say you should use those vibrators and all those
Open bro,
stuff?
so no, the human being. Or no, I'm going to already and me make the person on any year sad, no, and available at the moment on here. She's hooked on sex. So because of a sex figure, I say cocaine, will be of cocaine.
Yeah.
I say, cocaine now on yanti. I can't skim.
Yeah.
And she sound also acquire, and she's so hooked on sex. Sen or no, I explain say, or a sex figure, and she said, when you sang it, the moment she has that feeling when it moves up there, anything available. And then they say, anything available, and they say, I'm from home, the sign your money.
They say, on no acrampo saton.
To a go to Adi or Pedia, and so on try to move different, or two tone, but not for so betting at more. But who's a Ura business people at Zelton Talia? Won't be out at Talia, want to say that. Oh, Shana, or ye or that, on one of tone, the first one deal to me be fran, wash it. And notice what you do. Sex we no toys sleeping or bobo no kwa
rabbit radiator and vibration
or say I know them use very that in we otombia
just was so nyina show so ahun
wa woton no the fake ade be ma ho but you stood there the uncle for you na popoye no na orgasm akese mo aba enti if she says it's a sex figure nenso so asona no she can't do a simple sentence to work on. I can't do without sex. And at 22, you can't do without sex. No, 90 years, no 90. No, that's one no osoro.
Aba Mercy. Say you abe you ababo nti wa be chiche nyoma wo ko emumu. Wo ne say ehu be hia say no empanifo a ewo man wo ntu wo mo 90 wo enhwe eye emabunu no wo mo life a wo mo live because say as social media no it can be monitored by a government because obia onipa no okonya ne credit bi na wo ye ya huntimi nka say wo de wani hwe obia de obia ye hu se nipa na ko Instagram a wakwa ofe na yi say o ma ne posti eyi enti eden na wo hu ne say eye aban ebetimi aye aboa mapu na wo ma go through all this because of say wo mo pet bibi na wo mo enya na the only option is to expose themselves then after wo betimi aye de aboa
madam when you aban asemo where brought up family affairs
and aban
it has nothing to do
aban
with
to that she wo no
Mommy, I said like mommy ne papa
can
na
so wo crampo bi no betimi aye bibi
I said mommy ne papa can I said ebu ho no ma say mommy ne
papa no mo ye yeah can do this level
aso bo tu ne bafo na ne benti o tumi ko free police ni say ana so je ni say be na me be ma me no hu atade a won de obi
na na say be na me be
and aban si prison mo mo
sam
no pen be mangum omo ya this kind of character o fan be mangum no for mo kan won any omo
na say no na
it has nothing to do with aban.
Okay,
it has something about to do with you yourself and from where you are brought up from.
asa aban so betima ye bibi o say nyoma wo kraba yi no onjai kraba o betimi
ese bi aban nyoma bi wo aban wo
and aban jai condom kraba
o dwumedie papa bi di see obi ni personal life onu die si wo say me say my brabo.
Okay,
me ni aba na ekua skapa wuti we unim ne ye from nya enye
meaning
if things are not okay what now I say my life that I'm living is not good. I have to turn a new leaf or change from it. That's what they have to do. They have to think.
okay,
They need space. They need to sit somewhere on their own. No more drink. An uncle psychologist when you are buying duty. Yes, they've come too far.
Okay.
And I'm telling you, it's interceding that will help them. It's deliverance. It's spiritual affairs. It's about coronavirus by the rest of our account. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Things are not right, but it's not the responsibility of Aban to take off individual. When will Aban get to you to polish you up?
Say oh no, they walk celebrating it.
Celebrating for where?
What are we celebrating about?
She should take advice from them and go and seek help from Pastor bi obetimi aboa.
Na
so do be an account with your name.
Right to say oba
That's what I'm
me
saying,
baba saying bebe keka way.
If unfa inkrofo comment on take advice, enti aban then obetimi bring this lady out from where she is. Yes, to send ya wo kan wa wo ba na wo kasa no wontie. Enti aban na be kasa no betie.
Say eno ya kofa ban mu nkrofo na bebe hunu.
Enti police for meche. She has to sit down because me dey bia me say it doesn't matter how stubborn anyone is. And aju e kan no kwa na okoda odwen.
Okay.
Enti wa betina say access someone say how are things going? Is my life okay? What I feel is it normal or is not normal? Do I have to do something about it? So seeking for kind of sense spiritual attention. Okay. That's what she needs. She doesn't need a bind for anything. And her parents and also they should be parents family share minimum be at the boss or the phone version is a social media officer and normal and a generation where the 21st century. But at the end the result need be say you can't carry. Now be fra buy or no or what the human responsibility.
No mama. You jai over mercy and ya dey so be trust.
The wolf no.
The wolf no ho. Mama. Ede na ye uhu ne say ebetimi aboa amasa enoma bi say no. Yenya bi e wo ye society mu bi betimi abresa enoma bi say ase.
Eka, nyama bi say when people yen correct was when nipa. In the first place, but
like me ka enoma bi say like say you know so yes sex freak ne or use radiators and no na sa enoma no na make nye the human being as a whole.
And no pa dey no kware mu no yentimi nsi won kwan. There are so many people in Ghana here. They are into those kind of things. Obi kwa wawari oni ne ku nete but still no you do those kind of things. Abanka so osi nkwa o ka so comfort to kwa kosi dia. Obi de be hye ne ntoma mu dia baga na ha. Say no dey won't me see nkwa but they make me akafa Shugatiti personally me issue no say. Bloggers for no. TV presenters for no. Even actresses now almost supporting her. They are not doing her any good.
Okay.
Nudists. There is nothing celebrating about a nudist. Obia or nudeness. Obia got Italia, you know. Everybody has nude.
You know, just saying celebrities.
And cannot understand
in our bathroom.
Yes. Nude. She is not a celebrity. She is somebody who needs help. She is somebody. Etesenka only right people to coach her. But I'm surprised that the people who are surrounded they are okay, they love her like that. Not say she's not good, she's bad, but they love her even in her weakness.
Okay.
They love her weakness. They enjoy the fact that she's in her weakness. Zion Felix, I'm so ashamed to say, as a presenter, one, and as a man who claims that lady, your friend, you allowed her to rant like that and disgrace herself on social media for and go from enum kasa burning and go be a proper or only a show was since I cried. But when we be in the room, can't no kegu social media. No, Bunabim, no, young, no, the Yama for Zion Felix. I'm so disappointed. Why? Oh, yeah, Bema, just imagine to you, Ninya Ba. I know you're into that service and Kobe interview. I'm a service and we say, F1 say, why you assess free where you born? Obisana say, I'll say, what else can you bring to the table? I'll say, I'll be loyal to you. If I'm having sex with you, I'll not be having. Oh my goodness. What can you bring to the table for a man now? Okay, sex once him. Netima woman, sex with your school fees. Ekomu di wukunu ne pejani oba. Pejani su kunu my sex never solve our issues no. A woman has so much to bring on table. A woman has so much. It is not sex alone. Sex can never make you a perfect and complete woman. Women have so much in it. Me, I'm sad. I am as a woman, no, I see my fellow women saying sex and a breakthrough, sex and a job, sex and happiness. Sex is everything. What? Mona saying some kick and listen and mema feed you on that.
Oh, Canada, final words, that's what now will come home now.
I'm sad, but those people are almost backing on her mission, doing that. You know, they are not helping her. If they think they are helping her,
okay,
they are rather pushing her to her end. Sex is to be enjoyed by two people who agree with each other, who love each other, who are willing to stay together. The main purpose of sex is for procreation. nyankopo am fast sex am so be me own sex freak no funny in any other no it's for a purpose so don't psych your mind because of what you have been through and what you have had to do in your life now as they say I be doing the no na mem skenti and no na mama feel good and no na te say na no nte no your mission and your purpose on this earth where you may dear and everything is not surrounded by sex. It's not sex.
Okay.
Sex is not the center of your life. Shugatiti. When you're if you go in Sakranipa and social and Sakranipa, you are just 22 years. 22. With so much years ahead of you. And I'm telling you, sex can end your life. Than mama.
Obamasi. Nana ma do jana, obehwe nsemi nyina egu. Ose an wo kasa, so kasa che. For final words today.
Miniaba, ne kasem ni video mo no. Make a point say if your partner is not there, the only solution is to keep you faithful. The product na otono, but minya enya no credit. We unfaithful. Onwe ya with that. Enye ni otono na. It's a bad life to live. Enti mama abrabono ye hu ye hu anu hwe uwo obi wo nche na wo ya de enye na ososo wo so a eje so pe wa asem o omukra na omutan wo so bi pe wa asem na ohun bibi enye no ntumi nka anchire wa hwe ye nhwe omo ye from ye ndanfo. We should be careful with the people we call our friends because some friends are dangerous. They will help you to fall into fire. And don't be happy, say, oh yeah, who did some now people around you should so because of nya winyane no munye free wanti. And me nearby with there was sex ya hobby, sex ya na wudi nya wo share. Ebedu baby sex and unya someone then fine yet. They do one so then. You are possessed, seek for spiritual help.
Seek for spiritual help. Ebusian for aha enayede enkomo twetwe no ebesi minuanu mamtun sade from nyamisha mo paase mo so moje ya desede no efel eso. Subscribe to your channel no na like your video, share your videos so na ebiem mo betimi so follow yen ewo ye IG page @tumagh_ adwentrebia wo so fabra ewo tumagh comment section e bekenkan de amamo Miss Medical ene nanama owusua ene ye neme guest amene wo mo etwetwe enkomo na me amede dwumade ho chia me midin ene Exp0ses kapa aha na di besi desone ye besane hia makramo.